on. We need to spread out. There's way too many guys on this. Guys, we need everybody get ready to pop up and blast them. Get ready? 1, 2, 3, pop up, give it to them. Yes.
Hello there, echoes of the past viewers. I am in Linden, what is this? Linden, Tennessee. Oh God, we're moving.
Oh, we are moving.
Blind firing? What? Remember when they said no blind firing? Move up.
We got one right here, blind firing. Holy cow.
It's safe.
Yeah, he needs to stop that.
Hey, move up.
Hey, Caleb. Caleb, he needs to stop blind firing.
Let's go too close to the crowd. Daniel! What do we do?
Hey! Hey!
Swing it!
Sweep around.
Swing it? Go to let's go.
The yellow line at the boat. Yellow line at the boat.
Ready to swing? Covering fire! I'm reloaded!
On me!
Get that bucket with a frag!
Get up there! Fire!
Covering. Good.
Cover the left.
Left side of that wall.
Yeah, go ahead, go. They're right there!
Right.
Come on. We need to spread out. There's way too many guys on this.
Side.
There's like no other cover.
Guys, we need everybody get ready to pop up and blast them. Get ready? 1, 2, 3, pop up, give it to them.
Right fire!
Hey,
Yeah.
it's not firing. It's not firing. He has him. He has one.
Yeah.
Here, trade for a second.
Give it to him.
Hey,
Here, drink some water.
There's a bunch of dudes right here. We need to limit how much we're shooting. They're laying right there.
try now.
Move up!
I just wanted to hit, but that's good, Joe.
I ripped mine.
I'm moving.
Clear the bodies! Clear the bodies! Move! Move!
Hey, spread out, move up, move up! Hold your fire, we got friendly fire shot the courthouse! Medics, let's get this up, we got a lot of wounded! Cease fire! Cease fire!
You, Will, prepare for a counterattack over here.
Yeah.
Take this prisoner.
You're ready in case there's a counterattack. Okay. It's like up right here.
That Thompson's down. We're not gonna have him.
Okay. Sam, right here. Watch this direction. Make sure they don't sneak up behind us. I need one other rifle. Come here. Right here. Make sure they don't sneak up behind us if they come back.
Hey, do we want to try to drag some of these Germans out of the way so we have more room?
Get them out of the way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get some medics. Yeah. Hey, medics!
Medics!
Your helmet's on backwards. Medics, let's get these bodies out of the way. Let's move these bodies out of the way.
Hey, 29! You with me? Hey, get first. Push out.
You guys okay?
Push out.
All right.
Give me one guy. Go, 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 go. Cover that wall. Cover that wall. Go, go, go.
What?
Stop, stop.
Hey, back here, back here, back here. Come on. What we're doing here?
I have no freaking idea.
Out to the field.
Yeah.
We were told to die quickly when you guys showed up. Is that right? That's right.
If we can get these guys out of here, they can cycle back in.
You guys want to
Do you guys want to cycle back in? We can move you out of here.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we can. That way you got your counterattack. Is there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here.
you up?
All right, you're semi-alive, all right. Come on.
I got your gun.
There, you got it here? All right. We'll go around here behind the courthouse and then you can link up with your guys.
Here, you take it.
Yeah, yeah. Here, go. Here, give them their guns, give them their guns.
Man, I was sleeping over there.
You had what? This wall?
Right there. Get your guys down that way.
Where are they coming from? Right here.
Come on, come on, come on. Watch out, watch out.
Sorry. We're ready for this?
Guys, I don't know what's going on.
What?
What's going on?
They're gonna counterattack at some point.
Okay.
Here, you guys wait here.
One row high, move these sandbags.
We need help.
One row high.
Move, make
Here.
it, make a hole.
One row high.
Will, that's good.
One row? Okay. All right, we're good. You boys good over here? You good? Okay.
Who's got our flank?
Huh?
Who's got our flank? Those last guys came
Yeah, we got
across.
guys over here. We're watching
You
this
don't want
flank in
us
case
to
they come this.
Stay right here.
You guys posted up.
Forward element made contact over there. They retreated. Expect a counterattack from that side. And the side has a...
Okay. Yeah, I'm taking this right here. We're getting hit from behind. Are we getting hit from behind? Hey, they're moving up the street over here on the right.
Hey, that BAR's down.
Let's take this spot. I'm moving up. Hey, we got the BAR back up. We're good. We're good.
For now, I just gotta keep ammo
Okay.
on this guy. Graham, why'd you go and get shot?
Careful, that one's moving.
Down,
Mark! Mark, there's an MP40 pushing you.
down.
Go, go, go!
What the heck was that?
Whoa.
Too many on the wall. Get one or two back.
Guys, I want two guys.
I'll move back to you.
Get mag.
Get out of here! Sorry. Let's go! Go! Get out of here! Fall back!
Hurry, move back.
Get out of here!
Come on, let's move, let's move.
Go!
Let's give him covering fire, yeah. I'll cover. Go, go, go! Hey, you're good. I don't see any right now.
Go! Josh! What? What's going on? I don't know, dude. They're coming from the right and the left. I don't know.
Anna, where? Is this it?
No, it's further.
Where is it?
Hey, Anna.
Is it that one in the road? Anna, is it that one in the road right there? Anna, so it's that one laying right there, right?
It's the one by the dead tree.
All right.
Get the guys back up in position. Just reconsolidate.
Yeah, yeah.
I can't shoot with this guy in front of me. I'm not.
No, no, I don't know what's going on. Move up.
I've got you covered.
What do you see, Dallin? There they are! Get out of here! Give me some covering fire! Let's go, let's go!
Fall back! Get back!
Let's go.
Did you all make it out?
What?
Did you all make it out up there?
Yeah, let's go, 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 go.
Yeah, guys, I don't have a gun. I can't hit it. Let's get a fire line out.
Fill the line back out.
Jared, you good?
Sam, go down there.
Daniel!
Cover me. Hold fire!
Hey, you're with me.
Caleb, your helmet's on backwards.
Does anybody have any extra bandages?
Take it out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
No, we're told to push the pack gun right now by Robert.
Okay, go.
Go, push the pack gun. Where's the pack gun?
Josh, right here! Other side of the wall, right there!
Will, go on the wall.
I'm moving.
Push him up. Guys, we'll go back up. All right. Let's go.
Have the hook! Come and see here! Come and see here! Take these guys. Take them. Let's take this wall. Hey, keep a gun on those guys.
Are they coming this way or the other way?
Where are they?
Is there anyone who can go over there?
Yeah, go and take up over there. 2 people here on this one. Yeah. 2 people. Everybody else get behind.
Are you okay?
You good?
I don't see anything.
That was at that gun. He'd left his rifle. Do you mind keeping an eye on it? I can. Yeah.
What's going on back there? Are they engaging back there?
I'll find out.
Hey! Get that flag down!
Let's get that flag off that courthouse!
Stand down, hold your position! Hold your position!
Hold your position.
I can't tell if that went to plan or not.
If you what?
I can't tell if that went to plan or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
Y'all okay?
You doing okay?
Oh yeah.
Doing all right?
Alright, take it down. To the ground, all the way, all the way. Are we hanging one or what?
Yeah, we got the American.
Here we go.
Line's clear. Be careful, get off the ground.
Here we go.
I got it hanging the right way,
Get off the
right?
ground.
Yeah, is it hanging the right way?
German flag. Hey, let me go for the flag. Hey, can you get that other clip?
How'd it go for you guys? Good?
Pretty good.
Good deal.
Hang on, hang on. I'm sorry. He's like, I'm on my tippy toes. It's all like that. All right, go ahead.
Alright, go ahead, pull it outside.
Pull. Up even.